World Cancer Day is an event that we organize or celebrate on the 4th of February every year. It's an important day for all medical oncologists, all physicians, all patients, and I think for every person on this earth. I have a brief insight to give on the occasion of World Cancer Day. World Cancer Day has a special relevance when we talk in the context of our country, India. The relevance is there because although we feel that cancer is a disease that afflicts the Western world, the more developed world, the richer part of the globe, I think cancer is an increasing menace in our country. What is surprising to know is that most people don't realize is that the number of patients of cancer that we diagnose every year in our country is the same that are diagnosed every year in the US. So we have approximately 10 lakh cases of cancer being diagnosed every year in India, and the figure is the same in the US. So it's a big problem, it's an increasing problem. Another problem with cancer is that it is not just a health issue, especially in our country. What we are observing is that cancer is afflicting younger population in India, population which is productive, and therefore this disease, apart from having a health impact, has a socio-economic impact which goes beyond our imagination as doctors. So therefore cancer is a big social and economic issue other than being just a health issue. What is important to understand is that cancer is preventable, cancer is curable, provided it is diagnosed in early stages. And this is where we fare behind in our country. Most of our cases of cancer in India are being diagnosed at late stages. What is even more hurting is that the common cancers that we see in India are cancers of the oral cavity, cancers of the head and neck, especially in men, lung cancers in men, and cervical cancers in women. It is believed that majority of these cancers are being caused by preventable factors. For instance, oral cavity and lung cancer is being caused by the highly prevalent use of tobacco in our country, of smoking, both BDs, cigarettes, and also hookahs in our country. And when it comes to cervical cancer in women, there are reports which just suggest that poor hygiene is a contributory factor. So these are preventable things. What is required is to make people aware that these habits, these addictions can lead to cancers which are entirely preventable. And when they occur, because they are diagnosed so late, they eventually end up taking a patient's life. I think World Cancer Day is an opportunity for all of us, especially in India, to increase the awareness about this disease, to make people aware that the risk factors like smoking, like alcohol, like increasing obesity are things which are preventable, and therefore in these instances the disease can entirely be prevented. To make people aware of the various tests that are available, which are easy to do, which can be done on a regular basis to screen patients, to make people aware of the early symptoms of cancer, in which cases when they recognize these symptoms, they can come to a doctor and get themselves examined, and thereby in the eventuality of a cancer, help in an early diagnosis and therefore successful treatment of the disease. And more so, that cancer is not a death sentence. Cancer is curable, and that in all cases we can make a very good attempt to cure the disease, and in those cases in which disease cannot be cured, we can make a very good attempt to make a patient comfortable and to bring the disease under control.